The human brain is a marvel, a universe within itself. It holds billions of stars, not the kind that light up the night sky. These stars are brain cells called neurons. They transmit information. This allows us to think, remember, and feel. But what happens when these stars start to dim? Alzheimer's disease is a thief in the night. It steals away our memories, our thoughts, and our very selves. This disease affects millions worldwide. It is a growing concern as our population ages. Imagine a vast and intricate web. This web represents the connections in a healthy brain. Now picture that web slowly becoming frayed. Connections break down. Information gets lost. This is what happens in the brain of someone with Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's doesn't discriminate, it can affect anyone, but we are not powerless. By understanding this disease, we can work towards treatments and one day, a cure. The brain is a complex and wondrous organ. Unlocking its secrets is crucial to combating Alzheimer's. Neurons are the building blocks of the brain. They communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals. Think of them as tiny messengers. They carry thoughts, memories, and commands throughout the brain. Each neuron has a cell body, dendrites, and an axon. Dendrites receive signals from other neurons. The axon transmits signals to other neurons. The connections between neurons are called synapses. These connections are essential for learning and memory. When we learn something new, new connections are formed. When we remember something, these connections are strengthened. Alzheimer's disrupts this delicate balance. In Alzheimer's disease, two main culprits wreak havoc on neurons: amyloid plaques and tau tangles. Amyloid plaques are like sticky clumps of cosmic debris. They build up outside neurons, interfering with their communication. Imagine trying to have a conversation with someone while standing in a thick fog. That's what it's like for neurons trying to communicate through a buildup of amyloid plaques. Tau tangles, on the other hand, are like tangled threads within neurons. Tau is a protein that helps maintain the structure of neurons. In Alzheimer's, tau protein becomes abnormal. It twists into tangles, disrupting the flow of information within the neuron. Imagine a garden hose with knots in it. The water flow is disrupted. Similarly, tau tangles disrupt the flow of information in neurons. These two processes, the formation of amyloid plaques and tau tangles, are thought to be central to the development of Alzheimer's disease. They lead to the death of neurons and the shrinkage of brain tissue, particularly in areas important for memory and learning. As Alzheimer's progresses, the damage to neurons becomes more widespread. The once vibrant constellations of memory begin to fade. The early signs of Alzheimer's often involve memory problems. Forgetting recent events or conversations is common. As the disease progresses, these memory problems worsen. Other cognitive functions are also affected. Language skills decline, making it difficult to find the right words or follow conversations. Spatial reasoning and problem-solving abilities deteriorate. The world can become a confusing and disorienting place for someone with advanced Alzheimer's. The emotional and behavioral changes that accompany Alzheimer's can be just as devastating as the cognitive decline. Personality changes, mood swings, and social withdrawal are common. Agitation, anxiety, and depression can also occur. Caring for someone with Alzheimer's can be both physically and emotionally challenging. Despite the challenges, there is hope. Scientists are working tirelessly to understand the causes of Alzheimer's and develop effective treatments. While there is currently no cure, there are medications that can help manage symptoms and slow the progression of the disease. Lifestyle factors such as exercise, a healthy diet, and social engagement may also play a role in prevention and management. The journey to unraveling the mysteries of Alzheimer's is ongoing. With continued research and a commitment to finding a cure, we can strive to preserve the precious gift of memory for ourselves and future generations.